They got a lot to say. Got a lot to say. Oh, always start my. I don't know why I start my video of like yelling or screaming or belching. It's a crow out there. Just want to say hi. Well, I would like to say hello again. Today is a beautiful day, but I've been having a rough past couple, maybe weeks. I am getting started with this vehicle, as I call a Civic. But before we get to that, it's I don't usually post things or say anything about Family Matters, but when it's hard, when you lose somebody that you truly, when you lose a family member, it's the hardest thing in life, and it's a lot on your mind, body, and soul. That's what the crow just said. So me saying that, I don't want to make this vlog too sappy or anything, but when you go through something, you gotta figure out what you need to do after that. The crow just got something to say. I think it's a crow. Oh yeah, it is. So I did lose my stepfather. Oh God, like a week ago, and then yesterday I had his funeral. But it took a lot out of me yesterday. So my best place to come here, work on my car. So I've been here since this morning. I lost so much energy yesterday that I didn't know the time was set back for spring. So I didn't know that. For spring, I'm sorry. It was just, I didn't even know that. I was so tired yesterday. Like my body, when it takes a toll on your body, you just I gotta read, it's gonna take me one day at a time. I always tell myself that regardless of what I do. But you still gotta make sure you gotta take care of yourself. That's why I'm here to talk to my therapist. This is my therapist. This is my therapy. And I talk to my therapist. So, we gonna go back to the Civic. Civic, where today I'm actually super working on a car. I'm glad the weather has happened to change and a better post of getting things done with this car. I happen to do my wheel studs for my, see now I have my new ones. Then I can't find here we go. But so you know how you find stuff. So these are my old wheel studs. Ooh, as they say, ooh. So I'm ending up putting in new wheel studs. Here's the thing for me. So I said, let me change out my wheel studs. And I was like, before I even order it, let me look and find if I have them. And lo and behold, I had them, which is great because I supposed to put them in maybe 15 years ago, but I never got done. But it did come in a long run. I didn't really, the car was in storage for a very long time, so I didn't have time putting them in. And I have got to a point like, it's okay. You have stuff that you got to order. I had to replace something else. I can't think of what it is now. But I also happened to put in a new fuel pump in. I'm waiting for a fuel pump tensioner. Either come in today. If not today, it might be tomorrow. And I'll probably be here tomorrow and put that in there so I get this part of the engine working, cross fingers, and then everything's put together, car starts, I'd be A-OK. So, that being said, my next step is to do my brake lines that's underneath the car, and I gotta figure out, I'm gonna probably do that, I don't know, maybe Tuesday. So, Today's gonna be wheel studs. I had some other stuff I was doing on this car today. I'm just tired of looking at this car. I always said that I get tired looking at certain things. I don't care if it's parts, and I'm like looking at the parts. I'm like, I'm tired of looking at you. So I just get it done. I end up just want to get this car done, man. And I am my own sponsor. And once I get majority stuff done out the way, I'm gonna go around it, make sure things are bolted down and all that good stuff. So, but for everything else, everything is good. I am grateful and thankful, like always. Just you just got to keep your head up, and in every which way. I think as for the Acura, the max speed and ride on an Acura, I love it. What did I do to it after I installed it? I did, it bounced a little bit because I didn't put there's, oh my God, I can't think what it is. But I twisted about 8 times so it could give me a little bounce because it's always stiff. Pause. I loosened it up so it's bouncy, a little bouncier, which is fine because when I go over bumps or potholes, it's not. It gives it that cushion. And what else we got going on? I don't know about this car yet. Once I get everything else done, the Subaru gotta get fixed. Right now, I just gotta work on this car. This is just more important. The Civic gotta get done. What else we got going on? So, these crows are loud today. I ain't never heard a crow being so rude. Yep, they are rude as I don't know what. But other than that, everything is going good. So far, so good. Oh. This is my newest thing I bought. I thought this was pretty cool. I needed it. And I tried it today. It's this little steamer from Harbor Freight. And let me tell you something. I like it. It's cool. Details wise, as far as like, it's just a handle. You got the little trigger point right here. The trigger point. You got a couple of nozzles. You got one nozzles. You have a couple things that go with this stuff. So it actually works very good, especially if you want to do. I did do a couple of I did steam my engine just a little bit so I get some dirt and whatever out of it, and it came out pretty decent. That's my newest ones from Harbor Freight. I've been trying not to go to Harbor Freight because once you go to Harbor Freight, you end up being broke. And that's no joke. But everything else has been coming in play. Like I said, just now I have some more time to myself. Not doing kickboxing. I said that last time. I freed up my time. The weather's getting better. Today is actually not bad. I've been here all morning. Been here since 11. I don't have nothing else to do. I really don't. But just get this nice old vehicle out the way. But just give you up where I'm at. I put my last video out last time. It was cool. I do appreciate that. I'm such a humble person. Sorry, picking up stuff. Of doing things in life. I don't take nothing for granted. If I meet somebody that's famous, I'd be like, oh, snap. I don't super crazy. But again, this car is getting done. Because somebody told me, you better finish your car. And I'm like, okay, you better finish your vehicle. Oh, it's getting there. Somehow, some way, it's going to be done. Well, let me finish this stuff up. The wheel studs are going on. I appreciate you guys are still watching me. I am. I appreciate it. But we are getting there. We getting there. We are getting there. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I'm taking it one day at a time. You take it one day at a time. If nobody can fix it for you, fix it for yourself. And catch you next time. Peace.